Hello, I, Vaibhav Dhadda, would like to thank the organizing team of IIJS for providing us with an excellent platform to showcase our collection. We have been participating in IIJS since 2017 when we first launched our collection. Since then, this show has been a major stepping stone for our growth in Indian B2B space. Through this show, we have met and have done business with corporate clients, individual designers, and top retailers of India. They now recognize our skills and specialization in tapered baggage jewelry and gemstone carvings. We look forward to showcase our new offerings to our clients and potential customers through this show. It always leaves a good impression on the prospective clients when we mention about our participation in IIJS.